Aimline is a digital beam steering technology, and Atlas work in many verticals, not just pro audio. We have ecosystems in airports, and the acquisition was made mainly with airports in mind. Atlas have a digital paging system called GlobalCom. We're in about 60% of the US airports as the front end of the digital paging ecosystem. And there was one part of the chain that was missing, and that was digital beam steering. Now, digital beam steering, you know what airports are like: big concourses, hard surfaces, high RT times, essentially difficult acoustic environments. And we've partnered with other digital beam steering companies. But there comes a time where in life safety and paging in these areas, you have to do 24/7 surveillance. You need to report the telemetry. And if you're just dealing with a company who just does digital beam steering, you have to write a software glue for those two systems to talk to one another, whether it be UDP commands or GPIO. Aimline, while it's very much suited to the house of worship environment, it can be any difficult space. Our voice of the customer was saying, we need digital beam steering as part of your system. So Aimline takes care of all of the nuances of the difficult spaces. It's a natural endpoint for the GlobalCom system now. And that's what we added as AtlasIED to the product. Fyne Audio, the guys at Fyne Audio and myself worked together at a previous company for many, many years together. And our focus was on just the premium space, high-end, high-quality, high-performing loudspeakers. AtlasIED had ambitions to move into that space as well, and it just so happened that Fyne Audio have developed a point source technology, a transducer technology that's very well suited to that application. So essentially, we got the band back together again, and we've started producing products with the ISOFLARE driver, true point source transducer, which operates off-axis just as well as it does on-axis. So it's about the quality, it's about the performance. It's at the high end of the market. It's for hospitality, retail, education, anywhere where premium sound is a requirement. It's not just about the company's brand, it's our brand, your personal brand as well, and having that association with the technology. So it's something we wanted to further develop.